Hello good people, I'm coming on today with another DIY video. I'm gonna show you how I turn this drawer into a mirrored side table. So guys, if you wanna know how I did this, please stay tuned to the end of this video. First, we will start with the base. So here the measurements are 60 by 25 centimeters. So mark your measurements, then use a ruler to draw lines on both points. And now I will go ahead and use my handsaw to cut the pieces. Four pieces for the base, so we'll go ahead and join them together. And to do this you will need nails, hammer, screws and screwdriver. So if you remember so well, I told you that I recycled this plywood, and the ones I'm using here is what was left after my last week's project. If you're new here, feel free to join this family, subscribe, click that notification bell, and remember to watch my other videos. We are done with the first side. So we're gonna do the same and fix the remaining parts. Just to make sure the base is strong, we will now use screws and drill to fix this. And guys, here is our base. See how strong it is. So here is my drawer, guys. We will dismantle it and use the top part. So guys, I got this drawer from my old wardrobe. When I was disposing it, I decided not to throw away this drawer, and I'm glad I kept it. Now this will be the top part of the side table, and the measurements are 60 by 56 centimeters. Here, make sure the top part is well balanced. If you don't have a drill, you can always use just a screwdriver, or you can use nails and hammer. The base will be covered with mirrors, and here I have 4 pieces of mirrors. Measurements are 60 by 25 centimeters. Once I'm done with the base, I'll go ahead and fix the top mirror. I will now be using this type of mirror tiles. We will cover this part with crystals. And yes, here is my side table. I really love how it turned out, and I'm so happy that it's so unique. The reason why I love DIYs is that you always make unique stuff that you will not find them with anybody, and this makes your house even more beautiful and unique, and also it makes your house looks expensive. And guys, you don't have to spend a small fortune on that expensive decor. You can always recycle and come up with a nice and unique decor, as I did. My side table costed me less than $30, so yes, that's why I'm encouraging you to always recycle. If you have something at home, do not throw it away, just keep it and recycle it when you can. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you love it, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also share it with your friends.